the GTA fucking bullshit nowadays, but yeah, even huge titles like that can have those types of problems. I played Space Engineers here in Galactica. Yeah, that's. But let's be real, dude. Like, give us some fucking shit that's gonna be something that's enthralling. Like, I want to fucking put hours into something. I don't want to be fucking tracking some deer with fucking 3 nuts. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. I just think whoever's on the board for running that show needs to pull their fucking head out. Nice. Other thing too is like their focus is completely and solely on Grand Theft Auto Online because it makes money. People are buying the shark cards, da 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 da. But at the end of the day, Grand Theft Auto 5 has been out for how many years now? Like,